How to fix error 207 AMD in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. First of all, download the latest version of your AMD driver. Launch a browser and type AMD driver. Press enter. Click on this link. Find the correct driver version and download the latest driver from here. Once downloaded, go to another tab and type display driver uninstaller. Press enter. Click on this link. Click on download button. Let the download complete and click on the folder icon. Click on extract all. Extract. Right click on this exe file and select open. Click on extract. The display driver uninstaller is here. Close the folder. Close all the files and folders. Then click on the internet icon and click on disconnect. After disconnecting from internet, click on search, type msconfig, click on system configuration, click on the boot tab here, check the option safe boot and minimal. Click on apply, click on yes and click on OK. Click on restart. This will take your system to the safe mode. After going to safe mode, open the folder where the files were downloaded. Now go to the display driver uninstaller, staying in the safe mode. Here it is. Right click on this file, select open, click on yes, select your device type, click on select device type and select GPU. Select AMD here, click on options and go to advanced options at the bottom and check the last box. Prevent downloads of drivers from Windows Update when Windows search for a driver for a device. Check this box. Click on OK. Close the options window and click on clean and restart here. After your system restarts, go to the download folder again and install the driver you have downloaded from the AMD website. Open the driver and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of the display adapter driver. After the graphics driver is installed, come out of safe mode. For this, click on search, type msconfig, click on system configuration, go to boot and uncheck this option, safe boot. If it is already unchecked, then check once and then uncheck. Then click on apply and click on OK. Click on restart. After restarting, again go to the downloads folder or the folder where the display driver uninstaller is located. Go to the uninstaller. Right click on this file, display driver uninstaller.exe and select open. Yes. Click on options and uncheck this option. Prevent downloads of drivers from Windows Update when Windows search for a driver for a device. Uncheck this option. This step is necessary, so don't skip it or don't forget it. Close the DDU installer. close the folder, restart your computer, and everything should be fine now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.